Hey, give that back.
He had a hole in her, under the dirt on his shirt. And the only
38. Let's go. Look how big these are going to be. These are going to be huge. This is like one little half of the hexagon. Hey! Whoop-boo! Whoop-boo! Hi.
That's why on Wednesday
Alright, I'm gonna call you Jet. What do you do, Big Kahunas?
After Saturday on Jackson Brownie, Sunday morning coming down, and he's right back to this.
38.
Here we are,
Thank you for the follow. Oh yeah, I can imagine. It gets really busy.
Till that Friday night sees world. Every Saturday on Jackson Brownie, Sunday morning coming down, and he's right back to missing that world. Times of misery, here we are.
Allie, welcome in. Thank you for stopping in, Jed. It was nice to meet you.
That's just the way
Allie, thank you so much for the heart me. How are you?
Monday morning.
Oh wow, you're busy. That seems like a lot. I'm good, girl. We just hit a leg workout and now I got these like hexagon lights for our home gym, and so I'm putting them together. Crazy. You're on that grind, Big Kahunas. You're on that grind. Are you working out or are you chilling?
That's
Huh?
Yeah, bring your shame, I'll lose my voice. Sing that God that's back. Mercy, my child, prison.
Jay, welcome in.
Your transgressions are mine.